Okay, it's Melanie Bremner back here again, and today I am a little frustrated. So, I've been doing Amazon KDP for a long time, and I use the templates, and I've even allotted for the bleed, which you need a bigger space for. Needs to extend over the template margins so that it can, as it sounds, bleed off the page. That's if you have a picture book or book that has images that extend to past the margins. You give that a lot of space, which is 0.125 inches around each side, and it allows, as it says here, see 0.125 and 0.375 for the outside edge. And they do have video you can watch. Anyways, I've been doing this, and I have not been having a problem until lately. And even if I make the allotted changes, it doesn't seem to be working. I'm about ready to throw up my hands and just say, forget it, Amazon. I'm going to go to Lulu. I'll still sell on Amazon, but I'll create my books in Lulu. I'll probably still, for those of you who are wondering what Lulu is, it's another platform. I'll probably make a video on how you can create a book there. Lulu is a great site for if you like making calendars that have those spiral bindings, because it's the only place that does that. Amazon doesn't do that. So anyway, so back to this. Go to my new. All right, so I have already resized my images to the amount of pixels that they need to be for a full page that bleeds off. So now the margins come into play. I am using Google Chrome, Google Docs rather, because I'm on a Chromebook. So it may look a little different than you people who are using Word. So I just went into here. This should be pretty much the same for you guys. And I changed whole document to no margins. That way, there can't be any issues about whether or not there's enough sufficient bleed, because there's nothing else you can do. So I'm just going to go down through the whole thing and pull it to the edge. See here, this is new, this is old. See, it's just that little teeny extra bit, but if it makes a difference, then it makes a difference. So yeah, it can be very annoying, but you have to do what you got to do and see what Google says, or Amazon says after. I have a whole list of ones that I've done that I changed the cover on them, so therefore then it has to go through the process again. And I checked the updated version of how old it was for when I first made the manuscript, and sometimes I change them. And yeah, I don't know if the requirements for Amazon has changed or anything, but that's crazy. Because to go and have to do all of those books over again and do this to anywhere from, I think, 24 to 65 pages I've gotten some of them. Actually, a couple of them have like 115 pages. This is going to take a while. And then it's frustrating because then you got to put it through the process again. And if it doesn't get accepted, I'm just going to give up. and go to Lulu, like I said, and then you'll see me making a video about Lulu. Well, this is the boring part, so I will leave you here. I just wanted to get on here and voice my concerns and something that you may encounter if you were just getting started with Amazon KDP for creating your books. Excuse me. And to tell you not to get frustrated and just try this. And if it doesn't work, then we'll come up with a solution together. Or maybe I'll come up with a solution and let you know. But either way, please do not get frustrated and throw in the towel and say, this business is too hard. I don't want to do it anymore. Because that kind of attitude does not help you live your dream. So, I mean, if it's possible, it's not your dream and you really don't care, and it was just another business to try, thought it would be fun, then by all means, move on, find something else that resonates with you better. But if you really want to make coloring books or picture books or even novels, then you're going to have to put up with the minor annoyances and the little issues that may pop up here and there, especially when they normally tell you in their emails when they send them to you what pages are the problem that don't have sufficient enough bleed, and then you can just open up your document and go in there and fix it. That is why I like to save a Word doc or Google Doc and the finished product PDF, because that way it's just easy to open. Until at least anyways, you know that it's a complete manuscript and it was accepted and you're all good to go. Otherwise, you gotta do the conversion process, and it's a whole lot more steps that you don't need to do. Okay, well, I feel like I'm starting to ramble, so I just wanted to get this little tidbit out to you today so that if you encounter it, you get one of those emails, you don't get frustrated and go, what the heck, man? What am I supposed to do now? Just make sure your pages are, say if you're doing 8.5 by 11, make sure you go into your photo editor, open up your pages, because they're probably, well, they should be anyways, PNGs or JPEGs. So if you, let's find this one. Okay, so we will pull up. This was one of the ones that said it had a problem, so C. We will. So for an 8.5 by 11 page, which is what I like to do my coloring pages for, because it's just so much easier when it comes to doing the margins and whatever in Google Docs anyways, because Google Docs doesn't have an allotted sizing for 8.5 by 8.5, which would be the second favorite size for coloring books. But yeah, so just make sure in your size that it is 2,588 for the width. That is equal to the 8.5 with the bleed. And height is 3350. That is equal to 11 with the bleed. And then once you've done that size, just do your apply and save. And then you'll be able to put it into your document that has no margins. And if you still have issues, like I said, I don't know what more Amazon wants from you, or from me for that matter, because there's really nothing else you can do. So then just take the document and bring it over to Lulu, and we will show how to do a document from there. So that will be till next time. If you are having problems and you would like to see Lulu, how to go about uploading to Lulu and getting it to go to, because you can still sell on Amazon, you just send it for the expanded distribution. So if you would like to learn how to do all of that and you're still having issues with Amazon KDP, then do a comment below and I will get back to you and get a video happening for you. Okay, well, I hope you learned something today, and if not, I at least hope you cracked a smile. So until next time, you take care and you have fun.